What the hell is that? My legs are shaking. Beware of the cat. Hello, look at this. I'm somewhere in a random area without Kevin. What does that mean? I'm looking for more rocks. There's supposed to be some fire agates and jasper. I'm just gonna walk randomly through this pretty cool landscape, and I'm just gonna see what I find, if there is anything of value. It's all BLM land, so it's all good. Let's see what happens. Seen one jackrabbit already. That's good luck, right? This area is massive. It's probably gonna be a little harder than I initially thought, but it's really cool here. What's the best thing about walking or just walking in the desert and looking for gems is if you don't see any other footsteps. That means that it's been a while since someone was here. Hard to say how long, but it might not be too overpaid. I don't know. I mean, every rain basically changes the composition of the rocks in a wash. So, I don't know. And up there, I've seen some Joshua trees. I kind of want to go up there, but it doesn't look very hiking friendly. So, I don't know. Should I bring some? Why not? And maybe one that's sitting right on the shit pile. Okay, get dinner. Didn't expect that. I think I want to go up there because that's like more volcanic rock there, which is usually where fire agate would hang out. There are squashes. There's Kevin. And this is the mountain. More or less. I'm gonna take this. I see something. And it's got a bit of red. Oh my god. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god. In the right spot. That's good. This is even a little bluish. So yeah, I'm excited to clean that up. Bring a brush. That will make things a little easier. This is unreal here. I mean, come on. This is so pretty. I mean, especially if you're not used to this kind of landscape, but oh my god, like some, I think, Joshua trees there. Look at this. Everywhere. It's so cool. I'm guessing those are not Joshua trees, but man, do they look cool. no fire. I didn't really know what I found here, but it's quite see-through. Look at this. I love how oddly shaped they are. So cool. And that one is pretty orange in there too. Nice. Keepers. That's just for the camera. I'm gonna leave that one here. It's just too big, but it is still really pretty. My heart is pumping. Something just, what's the English word? Faucht? Like, whew, at me. There is like a thing, it's like from this area. I don't know. Snake home? Oh boy. I just like ran out of the way. Whew. What the hell is that? Is that a rock? Before. I don't know. I'm getting out of here. I didn't. Oh, Jesus. My legs are shaking. I was hoping it was just a snake. I don't know. This doesn't seem like, I don't know, mountain country or whatever. I'm really curious what I ran into there. I have to check the footage because it sounded like a cat, you know. I don't really know how snakes sound. I haven't been from a snake before, but I'm pretty sure I saw something behind that bush that looked like something, like some animal. This was sketchy, so yeah, I wanted to get out. I don't know. Snake, oh boy. Okay, I'm now at the edge of the mountain where I kind of started out here. Ooh, looks fun. And now I have to find my way. This looks ridiculous. Back down, which I'm not looking forward to. Oh, I mean, worst case, I'm gonna check the camera footage when I was going up here if I recognized anything and try to find that path, but I don't know. There's a lot of bushes and there were not a lot of ways to get up here, I felt like, and finding that exact path back is gonna be a bit of a challenge. Down here somewhere. I don't know, this is a bit steep and the ground is not really great. It's like very rocky, so damn. How do I get down? Was it further this way maybe? Because I went, maybe, I don't know. Damn it. I might have found my way down. It's like on the very tippy edge. So I made it down. That was definitely not the way I was coming from. I have no idea, how far did I go? I don't know. I mean, I still see the van, so not that far off, but I don't know where on the mountain I started. I'm very confused. This part of the wash also looks super different. I don't know where I am. I was just a little too far north. Mystery solved. It's just confusing when you're up there. You just like walk and everything looks the same. I got maybe just like a couple fire agate pieces and a bunch of like the white one, but there were a lot of really beautiful ones, and I still like what I got. I didn't really find anything here in the wash. Maybe you have to dig, I don't know. It seems way more obvious when you go up the hill and they're just like on the surface. So I would recommend to go up there. It's pretty fun. Or just maybe, you know, beware of the cat. No jasper. I also don't really know how to really identify jasper, so I should have known that, but oh well. So even after a bunch of scrubbing, they're still not entirely clean. There are special cleaning solutions for this actually, but that's for another time. I might just be a little too skittish, but who would have thought that there is a hissing turtle? I mean, there are desert turtles, but I've just never seen one. I guess to this point, I've never seen one alive because I didn't know it was there. So anyways, if you go out there after this video and find these hidden Easter eggs, please comment. That would make me so happy if you would find them because of this video. And that's what happened to the squash. It was not really an edible squash. The native people have been using it to make rattles. They have been drying it and used them as shakers and rattles. This is after 3 months of drying. Pretty cool, right? Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next one.